Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can make a Discord server, and it's pretty simple. For this, you want to click on servers at the bottom left corner of your screen first, and then this thing will open up. Once the slider opens up, you want to click on plus at the top. Once you click on plus, you want to click on create my own at the top. Now from here, you want to choose a reason. So I want to create a group for me and my friends, so I will choose for me and my friends. And then I'm going to name this server. So I'm going to name this server something like random. And I will click on upload, and I can even upload a picture for my server. After I do that, I can click on create server and a server will be created. Now I can even invite my friend over here if I want to, and click on done at the top right, and if they join, I will have new members in my server. So that is how you guys can make a Discord server. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you guys have any question regarding this Discord server creation, you can ask me in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I'll see you guys in a bit. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day.